Good morning, students. Welcome to your maths class. Hope you all are doing good. The topic of our today's session is Roman numerals. You are already familiar with the basic Roman numerals for the numbers 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500 and 1000. You have already learned this in your previous class. The letters of the English alphabet I, V, X, L, etc. are used in different forms to represent the numerals in the Roman numeral system. You can pause your video, students, to recall the Roman numerals through this chart. Today, we'll learn about the Roman symbols having a bar and also discuss some of the rules for the formation of the Roman numerals. Look at this chart of Roman numbers having a bar. Here, the bar over an alphabet increases the value of the numeral by 1000 times. That is, suppose the alphabet V means 5, but when a bar is put above V, it becomes 5 multiplied by 1000, that is 5000. Similarly, bar on X means 10,000 and on L means 50,000 and so on. Let's move on to the rules for writing the Roman numerals. Rule number 1. The Roman numbers I, X and C can be repeated up to 3 times, not more than that. For example, we can write 30 as X, X, X. The digits V, L and D cannot be repeated. We cannot write L, L. It is incorrect. Rule number 2. If a lower value digit is written on the right of a higher value digit, then their values are added up. See this example. XII, it is equal to 10 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 12. LXV, it is equal to 50 plus 10 plus 5. Here the values are added up and the total comes to 65. Rule number 3. If a lower value digit is written on the left of a higher value digit, then we subtract the value of lower digit from the value of higher digit. For example, XIX. Now X means 10 and IX means 10 minus 1, which is 9. So it means 10 plus 9, which gives us 19. XLV. Now XL here means 50 minus 10, that is 40. So 40 plus 5 is 45. Rule number 4. If a bar is put over an alphabet, the value of the numeral is increased by 1000 times. For example, XV is 15, but when a bar is placed over XV, it becomes 15,000, that is 1000 times more. That is 15 into 1000, which gives us 15,000. Rule number 5. We can write I, X or C on the left of a higher value digit, but we cannot do so in case of V, L and D. Here VD is incorrect, but CD is correct. Remember students, only a single letter can be subtracted from another single numeral. For example, we cannot write IIV. It is incorrect. IV is correct. Let's do some examples of writing Roman numerals. The first number is 56. It is formed by adding 50 and 6. So the Roman numeral for 56 is LVI. Next is 979. It is equal to 900 plus 70 plus 9. So the Roman numeral that we get is CMLXXIX. 8803 is equal to 8000 plus 800 plus 3. Now 8000 is written as 8 in Roman number with a bar on top of it. 800 is written as D, C, C, C. And 3 you all know can be written as 3 times I. So the Roman numeral you can see on the screen is 8 in Roman number with bar over it, D, C, 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 and 3 times I. Now let's do the examples of writing Hindu Arabic numerals. CDIX. First, we'll break it into parts and find out its value. So, CDIX equal to CD plus IX. Now, CD here means 400 and IX is 9. So, the total comes to 409. MDCLXIX. It is equal to M plus DC plus LX plus IX. Then we calculate the values and the total comes to 1669. See the last one, DC XLVI. So it is equal to DC plus XL plus VI and the total comes to 646. Let's do the addition and subtraction of Roman numerals. The first one, LV plus III. Now here LV means 55. We'll add 55 and 3 together, which gives us 58. Then 58 is written in Roman numeral. LX plus CL. It is equal to 60 plus 150, which comes to 210, and then it is written as CCX in Roman numeral. Subtraction is also done in the same way. XXXVI minus XXII. It is equal to 36 minus 22, which comes to 14, and then it is written in Roman numeral as XIV. The last one, DCXC minus CCV. It means 690 minus 205, which is equal to 485, and it is written in Roman numeral as CDLXXXV. I hope the basic rules of the Roman numerals are clear to all of you. Now please solve your worksheet number 5. Thank you, students. Stay at home, stay fit and healthy.